We're at Spaces, a shared working space in Reston to celebrate the Green Business Partners Social. Green Business Partners is a county program that we launched a couple years ago to support and recognize private firms in Fairfax County that are pursuing sustainability in their operations. This is an important program because the county has ambitious carbon reduction goals for the entire community. Some of the challenges that businesses are facing is there are a wide variety of measures that they could take to pursue sustainability. The program provides tips and suggestions and maintains a repository of things that work, things that might not work so well. We foster an exchange of ideas and help firms prioritize which measures to take.
Green Business Partners, they're creating space for us to have meaningful discussions with other businesses who care about living a more sustainable life and creating a more sustainable Fairfax County.
Social events like this really foster the collaboration between different types of businesses who might not usually interact with each other, but they can share common struggles, common successes, and it's really fostering this sense of community that we're all working together to solve some of these problems.